Now let me show you the whole process of fixing the error. Here I have a session where I connected as the user system. This user is a DBA user and has administrative privileges. And this tab represents another session where I connected as the user test. Let us check the connected user's name by doing show user. System here. Test here. Let me show both the screens simultaneously. Right click here and choose New Editor tab group. Now let me do the insert from user tests session. It fails because of permission error in the table space. Now let us go to the DBA window and check to which table space this table belongs to. Run this command. It says users. How? Let us run this command to see test users default table space. It says users. Again, how? Now run this command on database properties. From here we can conclude that users table space will be the default permanent table space for any users who gets created without table space name specified. Now let us grant permission on the table space users to test. This is done. Now let us go to test users window and run the insert. Success. Let us verify that. Select star from test.example1. Now let us commit. I'll explain commit later. For now, please run the commit. Committed. Thank you for watching this video.